Hi Blazers, in this video tutorial we're going to show you how to use the inbuilt Windows 10 and 11 quick assist remote tool that Windows 10 and 11 has, and it is free, so let's give it a shot. So just go into your search, type in quick assist, click into it, it will load something like that. We want to make sure this computer is the help someone, so we click on it. You've got to be signed into an account, so you can see signed into an account there. Okay, and then we have to put this code into the other computer. D95 US1. We hit submit on that computer, on the second computer. You can see it's doing the connecting thing. Okay, on the computer that we're connecting, it's going to ask allow screen sharing. We're going to allow it. And there you go. We are logged in to the second computer. Okay, so if we want to take control, we've got to click request control. And then the other side has to allow it. And I can see that I've got, let's see if I got control. Yep. That is all working. Now, yeah, so that's how quick assist works. We've got a bunch of other controls here as well. We can cancel, we can send a chat message, we can pause the session by the looks of it. Yep. We've got all these other options. If we've got multiple screens, we can select screen or monitors, it's fine. We'll click that. Restart, reconnect, and task manager. So it's pretty much got everything that you kind of need. I just don't see a file transfer, but maybe it's within chat. No, we can do that. What happens if we want to share a file? If I want to go and copy this from my computer, let's go copy. No, that doesn't have a copy paste function there, but let's see if we can do something a little bit different. Let's go there, and then no, so there's no file transfer. You can't do file transfer via the remote session, but that's okay. It's pretty strong in regards to what it can do. I would say send emails, or if If you've got any other messaging tools to send files across, do it that way. But that's how we would use the Quick Assist. Thanks for watching, guys. Again, don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.